Hi, my name is Drew Lynch. I'm the coordinator at the Hunter Community Environment Centre.
My name is Esha and I'm completing the internship with HCEC.
We are getting prepared for this year's annual Citizen Science Day as part of our ongoing investigations into the environmental impacts of coal-fired power stations. We're going to be heading into Waihee Bay to check up on the seagrass this year, and we hope you will join us.
Seagrass is a vital part of a healthy ecosystem, but has been severely impacted by the thermal pollution from the local coal-fired power stations. There are four main types of seagrass found in Lake Macquarie: Zostra, Holophila, Posidinia and Rupia.
Seagrass monitoring reports prepared for Delta Electricity's Vales Point Power Station from 2019 show a complete absence of Zostra at all locations within Waihee Bay.
This is Mannering Park boat ramp, overlooking the receiving bay of Vales Point's thermal discharge. Here there is a clear absence of Zostra seagrass.
This is Waihee Bay. We are now heading to Rathmines to inspect the seagrass cover in Kilburn Bay. And that's the difference. This is a piece of Zostra seagrass found by Esha, washed up on the shores of Arcadia Bay.
This year's Citizen Science Day will be sampling the rhizome, which can be seen in this diagram. We want to know if rhizomes are present and how healthy they are, so we can plan for a full restoration of seagrass when power stations close.
We hope you can join us for this year's annual Citizen Science Day. Please sign up at our website for more information.